Dear students, now we are going to see question number 26. What is the question? Let us see. There will be what will be the charge present inside a cube which produces electric field Ex is equal to 600 x to the power half. In y direction no electric field, in z direction no electric field. That we must remember, means the direction of electric field is only, which we are getting is only in x direction, neither in y nor in z direction. Okay, so how to calculate? If you see the diagram carefully, that is its first boundary is 0.1 meter away from the origin, and the side of the cube is also 0.1 meter. Whenever we have to calculate electric field due to this all, that we must remember the Gauss law. Okay, so there are two phases only from which flux will emerge out. This one is, I can say, second phase, this is first phase. Now how to calculate flux emerging out from second phase, that is phi 2. If I am going to tell, then it will be what? E2, or simply E, not 2. Okay, because electric field expression is given to us, so I am going to write only E into area of the surface. Which surface? Which is phase 2. Okay, now put the value of electric field, that is what? 600 x to the power half and into area. Now you know that side of the cube is given, it is a cube, so side of the cube is given, and if side of the cube is given, that is 0.1, so area we can calculate, that is simply 0.1 square. Okay, now what is the distance of this second surface from origin? That is, this one is 0.1 and this is 0.1, that is 0.2. So put this value also here, 600 into 0.2 to the power half into that 0.1, that will be what? 0.01. Okay, if I am going to multiply this 600 and 0.01, I am going to have only 6 only, and this I am writing like this, so that it will be easy to read and write. That is phi 2. Likewise, if I am going to calculate flux emerging out from first surface, that is phi 1, again it will be what? E A. Now it is 1 and it was 2, that we just to discriminate, that we are writing like this. Okay, now here electric field will be what? 600 into 0.1 to the power half. I am putting the value directly. Actually it is what? 600 x to the power half into area. Area will again be 0.1 whole square, because it is a cube, so all the surfaces of the cube are going to have same area. Again it will be at 600 root 0.1. It is phi 1. Now from Gauss law tells us net flux, that is what? Phi net is equal to what? Phi 2 minus phi 1 will be equal to what? Q upon epsilon 0. It is told to us according to Gauss law. So just use that. 6 root 0.2 minus 6 root 0.1 is equal to Q, that is to find out, and here it is what? 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. Simplify it. So if I am going to take common 6 in bracket, I am going to have 0.2 root minus root 0.1 into 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 is equal to Q. Now this calculation I am leaving for you. You have to do it whenever it is in examination. Again you have to do it, so keep remember and do it. And if you are going to calculate this, then what you are going to have? You are going to have 6.958 into 10 to the power minus 12. Here this can be written like this: 6.958 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Why I am writing? Just to check the answer, okay, or just to match the answer. 6.958 into 10 to the power 6 not into required here now. 10 power minus 6, it is known as micro, and again 10 power minus 6, it is again known as micro coulomb. That is 6.958, it is approximately equal to 7. That's how we can say 7 micro coulomb. So exact answer is what? C, 7 micro coulomb. I hope you got it. Thank you.